Okay. Put it down there.
Grayson? Grayson, come see what's in here.
Have a look.
Come see?
Go and have a look.
What's in here?
Go and have a look.
What's in here? Take the towel off. Oh, like this.
Pull the towel. Hold it for me. Hold it.
Keep pulling. What is it?
Hoover.
Oh, what is it? Oh, wow.
It's Hetty! Hetty the Hoover.
Let's get in it first. How did Daddy get
You
in?
just undo it from the bottom.
Oh, you did the wrong way around, did you?
Yeah, you don't have to undo it like that. Take the self-tape off.
Daddy, do
What
the
is
proper
it,
way.
Grayson? Grayson, look at me. Oh, Grayson's unboxing. Do the tutorial with him, Nikki.
No.
Grayson's unboxing.
What
Oh!
is this? Santa being early
Oh!
for Grayson. Oh, wow. Oh, you do it at the back, don't you, like that? I don't know if he's got any batteries in yet. I don't know if they've got any big batteries for it. You need the big ones, don't you?
Whoa!
Them.
Yes! Wow! Oh my gosh, look at this! Oh wow! Say Hoover. Grayson's favourite little Hoover
He's missing.
is called Hetty the Hoover.
Hoover.
Yes, you're addicted to Hoovers, aren't you?
Hold on. That should be at the top, shouldn't it? Oh, right, so that should be. We're being really thick here, Grayson. Wait 1 second.
Wow, very excited about the Hoover, aren't you? Let me see your face. Look at me. Are you happy? Yay!
So
Yeah, I
yeah,
bet
we
you
will
are.
be, Mummy, if we can get it to work.
Say thank you, Daddy. Give Daddy a kiss. Give Daddy a kiss. Give Daddy kisses. Mwah. Oh, give phone kiss.
Something missing, Linz. Something missing.
Like what?
So can't get that to go on there. They don't connect together. I think that should come off, but I can't get it off. There we go. Onto the chair now. Go and get it for me.
Go get it. Go on. Go get it. Go
Get
get
that,
it.
please.
Go get it, please.